Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture 2 of Sandwich reaction. Replacement of ClBr and Cn. Here we took a start from orthotoluidine. Orthotoluidine having NH2 group in it reacted with HCl and NaNO2. Sodium nitrite and HCl will produce nitrous acid. That nitrous acid will be utilized for the diazotization of this amino group, which give rise to N2Cl. Now react CuCl at 15 to 60 degrees centigrade, replacing this N2 with Cl. Here the mechanism of this Sandmeyer reaction is totally free radical. All these CuCl and CuBr and Cn, they will react free radically with the aromatic compound, releasing N2 as well as replacing with either Cl, Br or Cn. In this reaction, iodine replacement can be done with potassium iodide or sodium iodide. Those compounds which cannot be prepared easily, for example replacement of fluorine. Fluorine is difficult to replace in the aromatic ring. We use here Sandmeyer reaction for the replacement of this fluorine along with nitrous acid and in the presence of sulfuric acid and BH4, creating here diazonium compound which react with BF4 negative as counter ion, which will give rise to the replacement of this N2 with fluorine and OH यानी these हमारी जो ये phenols हैं, these can also be produced with the help of this Cu2O from this diazotized product. For example, certain compounds such as meta-nitrobenzene is difficult to produce. Otherwise, this can be produced with the help of diazotized product. Bromoaniline can be produced with the help of nitrobenzene. Brominate this nitrobenzene at meta position, then reduce iron and HCl with this reagent catalyst to NH2. Now we can diazotize this NH2 with sulfuric acid and NaNO2, creating HNO2 in situ, and replace this with the hydrogen